Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the essentials. You're signed into your Samsung account and on reliable Wi-Fi, and your phone has enough battery. Once done, open Settings, go to Accounts and Backup, then Samsung Cloud and tap Restore Data. Now select the device backup and pick the data categories you want: Contacts, Gallery, Messages, Apps, and Settings. You do this first to tell Samsung which snapshot to pull from. This prevents overriding anything you want to keep. You now choose exactly what to restore. Tap specific categories or select all for a full device restore. After confirming, press Restore and you'll see a progress bar and status notifications. This shows what's downloading and applying. Make sure to keep the phone awake and on Wi-Fi. Background pauses can corrupt partial restores. If an app needs reinstallation, Samsung Cloud will queue it through the Play Store or Galaxy Store. This middle phase is about patience and keeping the connection stable so files apply correctly. You finish by verifying restored items. Open Contacts, Gallery, Messages, and check system settings to confirm preferences returned. Make sure to sign back into apps that need authentication. Some data syncs only after you log in. If things look incomplete, give the device a quick reboot and run a manual sync for accounts. If a restore fails or stalls, clear the Samsung Cloud app cache and data, sign out and back in. Then retry the restore.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.